So I just picked up this beautiful old 1956 Lincoln AC 250 AS Wisconsin V4 gas-powered stick welder. I got it from the second owner who inherited it from their grandfather, who bought it right out of college and used it right up until he was dead. We're missing one knob, but other than that, it's pretty much complete. I bet that just fell off while he was towing it. They said he used this way out in the woods, remote locations, fixing people's log skidders and equipment for him when it broke down out there. He'd pull it out and then make good money, because you're pretty much the only option then is to have someone come fix it in the field. So the first hurdle is, in the move, he lost the crank starter. So I don't know where you just buy a Wisconsin engine crank starter, but it's not exactly an item you can just get. So I set about finding a piece of thick-walled, sorry, my phone case, piece of thick-walled tubing that fit nicely over the crankshaft. And this is the center of a big old socket that I got in the junk. So I've been hollowing this out, and I drilled a hole each side and ground it and filed it. Took quite a bit of fitment, and now I've got it so that it goes on and locks on, and then I'm going to attach another piece of tube out and a crank handle to this, and when it fires, it'll kick the crank off. You wouldn't want to just put a wrench or something and crank it, obviously, because when it fires off, then you've got a helicopter. So, I'm going to make that, clean the points, clean the tank, and then hopefully we'll have a first fire-up video for you guys. Got a custom Pabst Blue Ribbon stack.